Hello friends, I welcome you all to Doubt Forum. This question is based on the energy consumed by the filament bulb. So let's read out the question. And the question is, a filament bulb of 500 watt at 100 volt power supply is used in a 230 volt power supply. When the resistance R is connected in series, it works perfectly and the bulb consumes 500 watt. The value of R is, and here 4 options are given. So first of all, from the data given in the question, the rating of bulb is 500 watt and this 500 watt is at 100 volt power supply. So this is specific that this is of 500 watt at 100 volt power supply. So from the basic formula of energy dissipated or power, that is V into I, or what we can do here from the basic of Ohm's law, that is V equals to IR, we can derive two more formula of power which will be equal to I square R and also V square of R. So we can apply any of these three based on our requirement. So as we can see that in the question, the wattage, that is P and V voltage, is given. When these two things is known to us, we can find out the value of resistance. So if we apply this formula, the power is 500 watt. This will be equal to V square divided by R. V is given as 100 volt. So we have to take the square of that, divided by R. R is the resistance of filament bulb. So from here the value of resistance of that filament bulb will come out to be 20 ohm. Now in the question it is said that when this filament bulb, if we assume this to be a filament bulb which is representing a 2 ohm resistor and nothing more than that, is connected in series with a resistance R. So this is a resistance R and we connect this whole assembly across a power supply of 230 volt. So this is a 230 volt power supply. So in this assembly, again this bulb is consuming 500 watt. So this bulb in this assembly is again consuming 500 watt. So as we know that this bulb is representing a 20 ohm resistor. So this is a 20 ohm resistor, suppose. So here what we can do, we know that the power consumed is 500 watt and the value of resistance is 20 ohm. So we can easily find out the value of current flowing through this bulb, because the same current will be flowing through this R ohm resistor. So if we apply this formula of power, that is P equals to I square R. So here the power consumed is 500 watt. So this 500 watt is equal to I square into R. So this is I square into R is 20 ohm. So from here what we can find out? We can find out the value of current flowing in this circuit, and that will be equal to under root of 500 divided by 20. This will be equal to 5 ampere. So the 5 ampere current is flowing in this circuit. So this 5 ampere will also flow through this resistor R. So if the current is known to us, what we can simply do, we can simply apply the Kirchhoff law in this circuit. And if we apply the Kirchhoff law and we are moving in a clockwise direction, so this 230 volt will be equal to I into R, which is 5 ampere into 20 ohm plus 5 ampere into R ohm. So from here we can see that this 230 volt will be equal to 20 into 5 is 100 volt plus 5 R volt. So here we can see that 5 R volt is equal to 230 minus 100 will become 130. From here the value of resistance connected is equal to 130 by 5, which is equal to 26 ohm. So if we match our answer with the options given, so option number C would be the correct one. Let me quickly revise this. Here the rating of bulb is given, that is it is of 500 watt at 100 volt. So we can simply apply this formula of V square of R in order to find out the resistance of that filament bulb. So if we apply this formula of energy dissipated, the value of resistance of filament bulb comes out to be 20 ohm. Now if we draw the circuit, here this is a filament bulb which is representing a 20 ohm resistor. In the question it is given that this filament bulb is connected in series with the resistance R, and this whole assembly is connected across 230 volt power supply. And in this assembly, the power consumed by this filament bulb alone is 500 volt. So from this known value of 500 volt, what we can do, we can simply apply this I square R. So this way we can find out the value of current flowing in the circuit, because this filament bulb is connected with this resistance R in series. So whatever current is passing through this bulb will also be passing through this resistance R. So as we can see that the value of current passing through this filament bulb is 5 ampere. So this will be the current in this circuit, and if the current is known to us, we can simply apply the Kirchhoff voltage law. So if we apply the Kirchhoff voltage law, this 230 volt will be equal to the voltage drop across this resistor of 20 ohm plus voltage drop across this resistor R. And from here, with the help of little bit of simplification, we can find out the value of R as 26 ohm. So answer number C would be the correct one. So thank you for watching. If you have any doubt, please let me know in the comment section. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Doubt Forum. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.